anyo dat sheshri harbesh giot badibur, ve lakin anyo meret lakem sleka mi ROSH. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Holy Land Travelers channel. I am Sheila. So for this video guys, kung nakikita nyo sa title ng ating video for today, ang isi-share ko sa inyo ay 5 Hebrew Infinitive Verbs. So yun yung pag-aaralan natin ngayon and ito yung continuation ng ating vlog last week and I think part 7 na tayo. But 5 lang yung isi-share ko ulit sa inyo para hindi humaba yung ating video ng bonggang-bongga and para hindi naman kayo mainip. So bago tayo mag-proceed, katulad ng mga ginagawa ko sa ating mga previous vlogs, magdi-disclaimer muna ako guys na, ayun, paulit-ulit kong sinasabi na hindi po ako native speaker ng lengguwaheng ito. So for sure, meron akong pagkakamali. But I will try my best naman na i-pronounce yung mga words na yun as precise as I can. So yun, proceed na tayo dun sa ating video. And kung kayo ay into Hebrew language, kung gusto nyong matuto ng lengguwahe ng Israel, then samahan nyo ako and let's get started. So guys, ito yung ating format. So ayan. So katulad ng mga ginagawa ko sa ating mga previous vlog, so sasabihin ko yung past, present, and future tense ng isang infinitive verb. So yung ating first word is the word to try. So ano yung to try in Hebrew? So to try in Hebrew is lenasot. 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 Okay? Yung kanyang past tense is nisiti. 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 Okay? Yung kanyang present tense is minase, kung kayo ay isang lalaki, and minasa, kung kayo ay isang babae. So, ulitin natin. For male speaker, it is minase, and for female speaker, it is minasa. Okay? While yung kanyang future tense is anase. 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 Okay, meron tayong example dito, and katulad lang din yung ating format dun sa ating mga previous vlogs. And ito yung ating example. Anirotsa linasot, lashir, shir, biivrit. So, ulitin ko ulit. Anirotsa linasot, lashir, shir, biivrit. So, yung kanyang ibig sabihin in English is, I want to try to sing a song in Hebrew. So, ulitin natin. Anirotsa linasot, lashir, shir, biivrit. Which means, I want to try to sing a song in Hebrew. Okay? So, yung ating second word is to win, to beat, or to overcome. So, ang kanyang Hebrew translation is lenatseach. So, ulitin natin. To win, to beat, or to overcome is lenatseach. 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 Okay? Now, yung kanyang past tense is nitzakti. Okay, ulitin natin. Yung kanyang past tense is nitzakti. 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 While yung kanyang present tense is minatsakat kung kayo isang babae, while kung kayo naman ay isang lalaki, it is minatseach. So, ulitin natin. For female speaker, it is minatsakat, and for male speaker, it is minatseach. Okay? While yung kanyang future tense is anatseach. 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 Okay? So, yung ating example dito would be, aniwatsa linatseach ba takarut. So, ulitin ko, aniwatsa linatseach ba takarut, which means, I want to win in the competition. Aniwatsa linatseach ba takarut, I want to win in the competition. Okay? So, yung ating third infinitive verb is the word to close. So, ano yung to close in Hebrew? So, to close in Hebrew is lisgor. 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 Okay? Now, yung kanyang past tense is sagalti. 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 Okay? Yung kanyang present tense is sogel for male speaker and sogeret for female speaker. So, ulitin natin. For male speaker, it is sogel, and for female speaker, it is sogeret. Now, yung ating future tense is esgol. 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 Okay? Now, yung ating example is ito. Aniwatsa lisgo et hadelet. So, ulitin ko ulit. Yung ating example is aniwatsa lisgo et hadelet. Which means I want to close the door. So, ulitin natin. Aniwatsa lisgo et hadelet. Which means I want to close the door. Okay? So, yung ating fourth word is the word to finish. So, ano yung to finish in Hebrew? So, to finish in Hebrew is lesayem. 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 Okay? Yung kanyang past tense is siyamti. 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 Okay? Now, yung kanyang present tense is mesayem for male speaker and mesayemet for female speaker. So, ulitin ko, mesayem for male speaker and mesayemet for female speaker. While yung kanyang future tense is asayem. 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 Okay? Yung ating example is ito, aniwotsa lisayem likro eta sefer. So, ulitin natin, aniwotsa lisayem likro eta sefer, which means I want to finish reading the book. Aniwotsa lisayem likro eta sefer, which means I want to finish reading the book. Okay? Yung ating fifth word is the word to work, which means laavod. Okay, ulitin natin. To work in Hebrew is laavod. 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 Okay? While yung kanyang past tense is avadeti. 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 Okay? While yung kanyang present tense is oved for male speaker and ovedet for female speaker. So, ulitin natin. Oved for male speaker and ovedet for female speaker. Okay, yung kanyang future tense is eevod. 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 Okay? Now, proceed tayo dun sa ating example and ito siya. Aniwot sa laavod, rakama shaot, bodedot. So, ulitin natin. Aniwot sa laavod, rakama shaot, bodedot, which means I want to work for a few hours only. Okay? So, yun guys, tapos na tayo dun sa ating 5 Hebrew infinitive verbs. And before tayo mag-end ng ating video or ng ating vlog, let's make a recap para ma-refresh na naman ng kaunti yung inyong isip dun sa ating pinag-aralan for today. So, yung ating first na infinitive verb is to try, which means lenasot. So, yung ating second one is the word to win, to beat, or to overcome, which means lenatseach. Yung ating third one is the word to close, which means lisgol. And yung ating fourth one is the word to finish, which means lesayem. And yung ating fifth one is the word to work, which means laavod. Okay, so I hope meron kayong natutunan dito sa video na to, and I hope nagustuhan nyo rin yung ating topic for today. And if you did, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe dito sa aking channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. And huwag mo na rin kalimutang itap yung notification bell para ma-notify ka every time na meron ako mga uploaded na video. And kung meron kayong mga comment suggestions and anything else, then please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. And kung kaya ko rin naman, then gagawin ko para sa inyo. So dito ko na guys tatapusin yung ating video. Thank you so much for spending some of your time in watching this particular vid. And I hope makita ko pa kayo next time. Bye!